Welcome to Advanced Hair Studio. Are you tired of feeling embarrassed about your hair loss? Are you ready to take control and make a change? Then advanced laser therapy is the answer you've been looking for. Advanced laser therapy is the revolutionary hair retention procedure that will help you achieve the thick head full of hair you've always dreamed of, with powerful medical compliant lasers stimulating your hair follicles. Your scalp will receive the ultimate boost it needs to promote hair growth and reduce hair loss. Say goodbye to the days of feeling self-conscious and hello to a new level of confidence and self-esteem. It's time to take charge of your appearance and your life. You deserve to look and feel your best, and advanced laser therapy is here to help you do just that. So what are you waiting for? Book your consultation today and start your journey to a new, confident you with advanced laser therapy.